In this video, I'll show you how to apply extra fees while creating orders from the WooCommerce admin dashboard. This is useful when you're managing different fees and want to manually apply them to an order. Let's get started. Make sure Premium Plugin is activated, and in Manage Fees section, you have created fees here. Now let's go to the admin side, in which we can select any fees from these. First, go to the WooCommerce menu and click on Orders menu. From here, click on Add New Order button to create new order. You can set the order status as needed from the drop-down, for example, processing or pending payment. Then, you need to select the username for that you are creating this order. It will auto-fill all billing and shipping information. Now, scroll down bottom and add items to the order by click this button. I am selecting product here from the drop-down like racer tank. And now I will set the quantity to, for example, 3. After adding the products, you can also apply any custom fees. To do this, click on Add Custom Fee button here, which allows you to select the extra fees you've already created. For example, I'll select Delivery Charge and add it to the order. You'll see the delivery charge applied. If you want to adjust the fee or apply a different one, you can modify the amount. For example, I'll set the fee to 12, and if you need to apply a specific tax rate, you can enter that as well. I'll set the tax to 0. Now click to the Save button. You can see here that updated fees and tax applied. Now you can click on Recalculate button or scroll to the top right and click to the Create button to create the order. Now, the order is successfully created. As you can see the notification here, in the bottom you'll see that the fees have been applied as specified. This is how you can manually add the custom fees while creating orders from the backend side. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.